Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to directly save a YouTube channel post to your Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the videos on this tutorial. You need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, a couple of posts that we have posted to the YouTube channel. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load. And once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content. Let's now go directly to Posts. Let's now select a post that we have posted to the account. Let's go to Details. As we can see that we have 5 photos added to that particular post. Right click, Save As. Let's now create a folder on the desktop. Let's just call this YP, short for YouTube post. Let's name the first image 1. Go to the second. Right click, Save As. Number 2. Third image, Save As. 3. Fourth image, Save As. Number 4. Fifth image, right click, Save As. Number 5, within YP, go back 1. Go to the desktop, go within that folder for YP. Increase the size of the Finder window. Image 1, spacebar, 2, 3, 4, 5. All directly saved to the Mac computer. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.